look at the front, we have massive frameless kidney grille. This car comprises full LED headlight with U-shaped fiber optic guides for the daytime driving. Adaptive LED headlights with BMW laser light including BMW selective beam non-dazzling high beam assistant are available as an option. Looking at the side air curtains, they have integrated flicks for optimizing aerodynamics at the high speed. It has M mirror with sharper line for aerodynamics. So 2019 we have aggressive looking front look with BMW signature style kidney grille that is painted in gloss black with M badging on it. It has adaptive LED headlight with daytime running light. You have massive extended carbon fiber front splitter for giving it much downforce at higher speed. Talking about the engine of the new ones, it has 3-liter turbo. It has 3-liter twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder with 510 horsepower and 650 Newton meter of torque. It has 8-speed M Steptronic automatic gearbox. Whether it's rear wheel drive or MX drive, then the manual car, which is always the non-competition, has 480 horsepower and 500 Newton meter of torque and top speed of 250 km as a standard. With M driver package that will be raised up to 219 km/h, that is 180 miles per hour. It has 460 horsepower 3-liter straight 6-cylinder twin turbocharged 6-cylinder engine that produces 600 Nm of torque and 515 regular M3. Looking at the side, we have carbon fiber air fins. It has very low side skirt. It has 19-inch wheels in the front and 20-inch in the rear. It has also equipped with 6-piston caliper M carbon ceramic brake. This car has length of 479.4 mm, is 122 mm longer, 45 to its wheelbase. This car has length of 4671 mm. It has wheelbase of 2817 mm. At the front fender, it has air fins to make the way for trapped air in the wheels arches. It has 19 and 20-inch wheels in the front and rear respectively with the M carbon fiber ceramic brake. The door panel has extended merino leather trim with glossy finished aluminum unlock lever. It has black leather with contrast white stitching on it and window and mirror control on it. At the bottom, it has equipped with cup holder. Looking at the dashboard of this car has M Servotronic steering wheel. You have M1 and M2 mode mounted on the steering wheel. Those allow you to set gear, powertrain setting, but also integrated brake assist but now. M traction modes and drift setting. It has M leather stitching with M color sticking carbon fiber paddle. Also has bespoke and extreme dynamic geometry within 12.3-inch gauge cluster. Model has M Servotronic steering wheel with M color stitching on steering wheel with Alcantara all around it with 12 o'clock strip. You have 12.3-inch of gauge cluster with a different kind of display. Switching to M view adds a shift indicator and replace the regular tachometer with one that's easier to read. You can also get the genuine racing experience with the ultimate sporty setup, no driver assistance system and no distraction in track mode. The information shown in the cockpit in this model include M-specific rev dial and shift light plus a digital readout and indication of gear selected. A range of data including coolant temperature, charge pressure, tire condition and lateral and longitudinal acceleration can be displayed in the right and left hand areas of the instrument cluster. In the center area you can find navigation and route guidance as well as a check control message. 2019 also has 12.3-inch of gauge cluster. This model doesn't have configurable gauge cluster. It has heads-up display with it. It has a 10.25-inch of infotainment screen with a different driving and transmission setting, track setting with a navigation and other stuff too. This car also has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Harman Kardon sound system. Same style BMW infotainment screen with a map or a radio. Back to menu, we can just keep it going through different drive setting and M drive. This 2019 does have Android Auto. Below infotainment screen you have different setting for climate control. Below that you have different sets of buttons so that you can all be pre-configured to take you to other command you might want. This has same setup as of 21 model, but the difference is that they have changed their position from up to down. You have M carbon bucket seats embroidered with M logo to make the car even more lighter for the max performance of the car. You have M seat belt to it, automatic seat control. You have BMW leather wrapped racing seat, manual seat control except for under leg bolster. You have pretty decent space in the both gen model in case of rear passenger in the subject of legroom and headroom. Have carbon fiber roof option as in carbon fiber package. It also has carbon fiber roof as an option, otherwise you will have stainless steel roof with sunglasses on it. Coming on the back, you have gloss black greener seating here on the boot lid. Toward down we have got new larger exhaust tailpipe, now 10 cm wider in diameter. The car has much more rear aggressive look to it as it's wider, as you can see from wheel arches. So we have aggressive rear bumper with boot lid spoiler. This car is wider than the standard M3. It has quad exhaust with a rear carbon fiber diffuser. So that's all from my side. So thank you guys.